Greetings to you all beautiful souls. Let's quickly learn this beautiful, elegant style again. Alright, so bringing out your Seiko material, your Seiko fabric, full length of Seiko fabric. Alright, so that is what we're going to use. Placing it on your head this way. The division is 50-50, meaning equal half to equal half. Alright, so you take some plates. I'm going to take some plates, about 2 or 3 plates now, because I want to cover the back. So if you want to leave the back open, you can go ahead and take up to 6 or 7 plates. Alright, but if you are covering the back, depending on the width of the fabric, you can take, if it's not enough, you can take like 2 or 3 plates in the front. Alright, so arranging my plate this way now. Arrange my plates, then as you're seeing it now, took everything to the back and then cross it. Just simple crossing, and you bring everything to the front again while we continue. Alright, so twisting it a little bit. If you like, at this point you can twist it a little. If you don't mind, you can leave it. You will still achieve what we want. Alright, but I just prefer to twist it a little bit so that it will be neat. Alright, so raising it up this way. I watch closely what I am doing there. I bend it as if I am taking it back again, then thereby raising up a little part. That little part I raise up now, I am going to use it to create a rose in the front of the head wrap. Alright, so holding 2 of them together, pay close attention to my hand. So I brought 2 of them together this way. Make sure they are equal, then pick rubber band and fasten it together. Make sure it's very tight, because if it's not tight, that part will pull off. And remember, that is where the major tying is, so you have to tie it to be very firm. Alright, so if you have gotten to this point, pay close attention to what we are going to do next. Alright, we have gotten that place now. I've secured it. Now this part now that is remaining, I'm going to flip it to the back and watch closely. I'm going to flip it to the back, then create a kind of a ruffle on it. Okay, so pay close attention now. You see, taking everything to the back, then I'll create a ruffle. Okay, so pay close attention to my hand now. If this is the first time you're coming across my video, the person you're hearing her voice is Demi Gaming Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. Alright, so you saw exactly what I did there. Now I'm going to do the same this other side. Then I'll bring everything, both of them, I'll bring it together and merge it. See now? Okay, I'm going to bring 2 of them together and merge it up. Pay close attention to my hand. Watching what I am doing, you will understand the explanation better. Alright, so you see that part now. I've crossed it a little bit. Then I'm going to use office pin and pin it together there. You see that now? I use office pin to pin it down there. Alright, as I said, this is Demi Gaming Empire on YouTube and Demi Entertainment on Facebook. Alright, I have pinned that part now. Pay close attention. Now anywhere that is not well pinned, you can, like this place now, I'm going to use pin again and pin it. So if you're tying head wrap, anywhere that you feel like it's not properly pinned and you need pin on it, you can go ahead and do it. Sometimes you use your discretion to pin. Yes. All right, so pinning that part now. Okay, so I want to stretch out this particular place, that place that I use rubber bands to hold. I'm stretching it out now to create rows. I want to stretch it out while I'll come back to work on the other two flap. All right, so stretching everything this way. I'm going to stretch everything out. All right, so please do want to drop your like, your comments on the comment section. Please do not watch and walk away. Subscribe. Let us learn together. Yes, let's learn together. Unity will stand, divided will fall. So let's learn together. All right, so you can see I'll straight that part, and then this other side now I raised it on top of that rows that I created. I want it to be on top, so it's on top now while I am working on this other hand. So just create a rough pleat, taking everything to the back. Now I use office pin to pin it. If your own is long enough, you can go ahead and tuck it in at the back, but if not, you can use pin to hold it. This one I tuck it in, but it's not it did not go inside very well, so I have to use pin to support it so that it will not pull off, especially when you're going to Owambe, you understand? Because I'm going to do a lot of dancing, but don't dance with your head though. Alright, so this other side now I'm going to do exactly the same thing. Just create a rough pleat and then taking everything to the back. Now I'll use pin to hold it. Alright, so at this point now I think we are done tying. What is left now is for us to go ahead and arrange it very well. Arrange it to your desired shape. You are good to go. You are calm to go. You are elegantly ready. Oh yes. Alright, so that is it now. You can see we're done tying. It's just for us to arrange our head wrap now. As I said before, please do want to drop your like, drop your comment. Please don't watch and walk away. Support me by subscribing to my channel. Let's learn together. Share my videos to your friends and family. Let them also benefit from this channel. Alright, so you can see it now. So please, I am still begging, subscribe. Don't just watch and walk away. Drop your like and your comment. If there is anyone you want us to do again, please drop it on the comment section. We'll come back to learn it together again. You can see our head wrap is beautifully ready, elegantly ready. So place your hair accessories if you want. We are good to go. Elegant, can't you see? Beautiful. That is what the back look like. Doesn't really need much adjustment at the back. So we are ready to rock that party. Where is it happening? Where is it happening? The Owambe. Yes, we are ready. Please don't forget to subscribe. I love you all, both my new and old subscribers. See you in my next video.